Hey guys, welcome to my latest listing, 447 Stege Avenue, Richmond. It's only 5 years young. This contemporary home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, plenty of off-street parking. Let's take a look. Thanks for taking the tour, guys. So what do you think about this home? I love how versatile the floor plan is and all the modern touches this home has to offer. And look, it's got a cozy backyard, low maintenance, great for entertaining. Stege Avenue is centrally located, easy access to Freeway 80 and 580, in between El Cerrito del Norte Bart and Richmond Ferry Terminal. Short ride to the city. Whether you work from home or commute to work, this is your perfect location. We're located at 447 Stege Avenue in Richmond. For more information, please check out our website or give us a call. We'll see you here soon.